Danko Arlington is a unique company that has been in manufacturing since 1920. The company produces aluminum and bronze castings for high-quality military and commercial applications. Danko Arlington is unique because it manufactures tooling, castings, and machining at one location. Here's how the company operates. Using computer software, a part is first drawn as a virtual 3D model. For reverse engineering of an existing part, a laser scanner is used to develop the model. The 3D model is slightly modified to become a die or pattern used for molding. Today, Danko Arlington uses state-of-the-art 3D printing to create accurate patterns made of plastic. The 3D printer automatically builds layer upon layer of fused plastic to construct the pattern. After the pattern is printed, it's hand-finished and set to the foundry. In the foundry, sand mixed with glue is packed around the pattern. After the glue has cured, the pattern is removed, and the sand mold is prepared for assembly. For complex molds, other loose sand pieces known as cores are set in place. After molding, aluminum metal is melted and analyzed before being poured into the sand molds. After cooling, the mold is broken apart and the resulting casting is removed. The broken sand mold is recycled, and the process is repeated, one mold per part. Excess metal known as sprues, gates, and risers are sawed away and recycled. The casting is then ground smooth. Castings are very weak in their as-cast condition, so the parts are heat-treated to increase their strength. The side effect of heat treatment is twist, so the parts are hand-straightened back into place. After heat treat, test bars which were made from the same pour as the castings are destroyed to measure the new properties. In addition to destructive testing, non-destructive testing is performed on critical castings. The parts are dipped into a fluorescent liquid dye to expose surface cracks. Critical parts are also X-rayed to expose any interior defects. The raw castings are checked for accuracy before going to machining. During the machining process, parts are milled and drilled by robotic machines. After machining, parts are painted and are assembled with inserts, pins, and/or bearings. A final inspection is performed before being packaged and sent to the customer. More than ever, today's customers rely on suppliers to provide finished goods ready for assembly. Danko Arlington's unique ability to integrate and manage pattern making, casting, and machining creates an incredible value, making Danko Arlington the best choice for today's casting needs.